Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Today we're gonna film a skincare routine to prevent or heal pimples and breakouts. Let's have a look at my skin. So here you see a pimple. It was very huge 2 days ago, but today it has flattened out and you can even see that it dried out. So that's why the skincare routine. Let's go. First, we're gonna start with a wet face. So we need to rinse the face with lukewarm water, like so. And then I'm gonna use Super Aqua Cleansing Foam. This one. You can use any foam or face wash you would like as long as it is gentle and only for cleansing. So no extra functionalities like drying, especially for acne-prone skin. So now I'm rubbing, since it's a face foam, I'm rubbing it, then rubbing it to my face. Foam cleanser really does its job in removing makeup as well. You'll see. So you make sure you go under your eyes like this and then circle. And so you get older or skin sags. So basically you want to pull the skin up like this. I'll list the product in the description box below so you can have a look later. Don't forget your neck because it's very important, as your neck will show the first signs of aging. Let's rinse. Now, since we finished the foam face wash, we are gonna use the peeling gel. This one is Dr. G Brightening Peeling Gel, and it's mild. Since I have a little bit of breakout, like pimple that it's curing, I like to use this one, since it's really gentle. You see the pimple? If you have any breakouts that are like forming or that are really active, you don't want to use any scrub. Only mild or gel form peeling scrub. Same as the foam wash, but this one you rub it in circle. You feel like you have like skin coming off, like mini old skin. Move around and scrub it gently. Yes, finished. So that step was to remove a little bit of the dead skin cells. So basically the acne can heal better. So after showering, we're moving to the night routine. I will first start with lip conditioner. I use MAC. You can use any lip balm, unflavored. It's better to use those who has like nutrients in it, or conditioning or hydrating effect. And then I'm gonna use eye cream. As we get older, the skin around our eye is gonna sag more. That is because the protein in our cells will shrink. So that's why I'm using this one, Snail Eye Cream. Snail has a lot of building effects on the cells. So basically snail and collagen works good together. So you pat it lightly around your eyes, especially on the lines there. You always want to pat upwards. Next, I'm moving to face cream, but this one is a nutritive face cream with like functional face cream. This one I'm using is this Mr. Honey from Vanilla Co. It looks like this, like a thick wax. So the reason why I use this one is that honey has great effects on any skin. And don't forget your neck. So I was saying the reason I'm using this cream is that it has a lot of good nutrients and functional effects on the skin, especially healing effects for the acne. And lastly, I'm using this one for extra moisture. At night, you always need to feed your skin with good moisture so it can work its way. This one is hyaluronic acid. The purpose of it is that it only adds moisture to the skin, like a final sealing for your skincare routine. So in the morning when I wake up, my skin still looks moistured, because some face cream that I've used before that is not moisturizing enough, in the morning when I wake up, my skin has soaken up all the moisture, so it will look very dried, and then you will see that your pores are enlarged in the morning. So that's why at night you need a double moisture cream to fix it up. Okay, so that was it. This was the skincare tutorial for your skin if you have pimples, small pimples and breakouts that just healed or that are forming. It will help to heal it faster. And I do not recommend to use any harsh peeling chemicals or face wash, otherwise it will irritate the skin. And also, if you have the acne with like a whitehead, I would recommend the La Roche-Posay, this one, Effaclar Duo. I will link all the products in the description box below. So this product, it helps the whitehead pimple. Once you put it on it in the morning, it will be dried out, so it flattens it out. And that's how you get this pimple, the dried one. So after this one heals with this facial skincare routine, then your skin will be, you know, beautiful, normal again. Thank you for watching. If you like this video, don't forget to hit the notification button and like and subscribe for more weekly videos. Let me know in the comments below what you think of it, and also what kind of video you would like next. Bye. Thank you. It's better to use those who has like nutrition. So thank you so much for watching again. Like this video and subscribe to my YouTube channel for more weekly videos coming up. Don't forget to check out the women community if you are a woman. And also follow me on Instagram or TikTok. So thank you and see you in the next video. Bye.